Yeah, in this video we're going to show you how to remove the backup camera for the Mercedes C-Class 2016, which is similar to some other years. And the tools that you need is the dashboard removal tool, and then the size 10mm socket, plus this clip remover, and then size T25 Torx screwdriver. We already made everything loose. This is just for the demonstration only, by the way. Well, you also need these couple of hooks to remove the backup camera. These are Mercedes parts. The part number are worn out, but the part number is 140-589-023300 if you want to buy them from the Mercedes, or you can find them on Amazon. And the first step, you need to remove the license plate, otherwise it's going to be on the way when this cover comes down. And then you insert your hooks to these holes, and then you pull it down. You can use more than one, just use both of the hooks, and once the cover comes down, and you just pry it out. Here you go. As you can see, the backup camera, these are two clips. These are clips which are holding it in also. And then you can see the backup camera is exposed now. The backup camera has two nuts in the back which we need to remove. It's size 10mm. So in order to remove those two nuts, we have to remove the cover from the inside of the trunk. Yeah, to remove the liner from inside the trunk, you use the size T25 screwdriver, and you get these two plastic bolts out. And then there's the one on the passenger side, this side, which we already removed, by the way. And then the rest of them are just clips, which you need to pop them out. We removed most of them, and this is just for the demonstration only, how to get them out. And then you do the same thing for the rest of them, all around the liner inside, and then you pull it down. You need to remove these two connectors from the liner. One is for the light, and it is for the emergency switch. So you get those two connectors out, and then you can completely remove the liner. Yeah, here you can see the backup camera from inside of the trunk lid. It has two connectors which you need to remove, and then plus it has two 10mm nuts. Yeah, this is the old one that we already removed from the car, and these are the connectors, and then 10mm nuts. Once you get these two nuts out, and then disconnect the connectors, and then you can remove the backup camera. These are the location of the two connectors, and this is the cord which you need to disconnect from the harness of the car. And here you go. This is the backup camera and the harness which you need to disconnect. So that's it, and then the installation is just the opposite. And if you have any question, you can call High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.